Welcome, my name is Anmoldeep from lovely Professional University and I am participating in this Elocution plus debate competition. So going towards the elocution part, the first topic is life as a rich. Once upon a time, Madam Amanda wanted to frame a rich lifestyle into a healthy breakfast, where the plate of health regime had yoga, pilates and gymming. Then she tried to frame it into a healthy and power-packed lunch, where the plate was filled with brands like Gucci, Prada, Chanel, Versace, etc. and etc., which proved to be the best lunchtime. Next, she framed it into a light brunch, where the plate of mind and body relaxation had salons, good spas, and amazing and terrific massages. Next, and finally, she turned that rich lifestyle into a very good, delightful dinner. A dinner where the plate was served with casinos, late night parties, and other formal events with a champagne. So, this is not just a thought, but a phantasmagoria, isn't it? Now, the next topic is reach late to the office. Well, this topic is itself a problem, a minor problem, which can be solved through time management. According to the great scholars of top business schools, they have provided a proper information related to time management. Now, doing stuffs on time doesn't mean time, it's a proper time management. Time management is where the personal development has less obstacles. When it starts having less obstacles, it starts enriching the three most important factors: mind management, scientific management, and effective management. So, to keep this in control, to keep a proper balance between your productivity and your work, what is important? We can use the pickle jar theory. According to the pickle jar theory, the task which is more important at the present time should be kept in the first priority list, and the task which is less important can be placed in the bottom list. So this ensures how the quality of your productivity is, and it also helps to make your stuffs and your work stuffs on time. Thank you.